Okay, let me discuss about types of personality. Okay, in this so many types is there in the personality. First of all, Kretschmer's body build classification. Okay, in this the psychologist should be focused on the body build or physique of an individual. Okay, depends upon their body weight or depends upon their external appearance of the body parts. The psychologist should be divided that three types of personality. Okay, in that first one, that is the aesthetic personality, another one is the athletic personality, another one is the picnic personality. Okay, in this aesthetic personality, the psychologist should be observe each and every individuals. Okay, what is their physical status of the body. Okay, if the body having overweight or underweight or tall or short, okay, depends upon their body build, the psychologist should be divided this personality. Okay, in this aesthetic personality, here the individuals having a tall body. Okay, their what is that external structure of the body should be measurements very tall. Okay, increased height of the body. Okay, in this the persons are having a narrow body build, means that muscle capacity, okay, or that muscle strength should be very narrow. Okay, these type of persons having their behavior, what is that means, they are having withdrawal behavior in the external environment. Okay, in external environment always they are having a withdrawal behavior, means in society the group of people should be adjusted their situations. Okay, who are having this type of athletic personality, those are not having not adjusted for that external environment in group of people. Okay, in society they are not having any adjustment, always they are having a withdrawal behavior. Okay, next another one, that is the athletic personality. In this athletic personality, what happens means they are having a normal or average muscular development. Okay, according to their height, according to their weight, the muscle strength should be average. Okay, and then their behavior also balanced. Okay, they are having a well personality. Okay, they are having good thinking capacity, good intelligence capacity and good attitude. Their feelings also normal. Who are having that athletic personality, those are all are balancing. Okay, body should be balancing according to their physical body, their mental capacity also normal. Okay, next another one, that is the third one, picnic personality. In this their body structure should be very short according to their height, according to their age, they are not maintained. Okay, according to their age group, the children or the individuals or the persons maintain their body structure also, but who are having this picnic personality, those are not developed their body structure, or height of the body should be very short. Okay, next their person, these are the persons are having a fat personality, means fat persons. Next another one, that is they are having abnormal mood swings, means the negative behavior or negative feelings, means they are not having constant behavior. Okay, their behavior should be always movable like what is that, air. Okay, next this is the these personality should be explained by this psychologist. Okay, next another one, that is the total stable and unstable classification. Okay, in this total stable and unstable personality, how the persons means here first of all we discuss about stable personality. Means they are having stable thinking, stable feelings, stable attitudes. For example, in one situation, the persons are having one time we are asking some questions in front of individuals. Okay, they are telling their answer one time. Okay, when we will ask repeated, then also they are giving same answer. They are not change their answer. స్టేబుల్ పర్సనాలిటీ మీన్స్ మనం ఒకసారి ఏదైనా ఒక దాని గురించి ఆ ఇండివిజువల్స్ ముందు అడిగినాం. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సెలబ్రేట్ వన్ మ్యారేజ్ ఫంక్షన్. ఓకే, మీరు ఈ మ్యారేజ్కి అటెండ్ అవుతారా, వెళ్దామా మ్యారేజ్కి అనే దాని గురించి మనం ఒకసారి ఇండివిజువల్స్ అడిగామంటే వాళ్ళు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది అని అంటే వస్తాను అటెండ్ అవుతాను అని చెప్తారు. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేకపోతే లేదు అంటారు. ఒకవేళ ఉంది అని అంటే వచ్చేస్తారు. నువ్వు ఇంకా ఎన్నిసార్లు అడిగినా కానీ వస్తా అనే మాటే ఉంటుంది కానీ రాను అనే విధంగా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, దే ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ స్టేబుల్ ఫీలింగ్స్, స్టేబుల్ థాట్స్, స్టేబుల్ ఐడియాస్. దే కెనాట్ చేంజ్. Okay, in a positive way or negative way, what happens, they are not there. Okay, always they are having one direction, that is the stable way. Okay, these are having, these persons were called as the stable person. Okay, another one, unstable personality. Their feelings, their ideas, their thoughts, their behavior always should be unstable. Okay, in morning they are telling one story, in next 1 hour they are telling another story. Okay, in afternoon they are telling another story. Means their feelings, their ideas, their thoughts, their behavior cannot stable. Okay, they are not having a good direction or a good way. That is the positive or negative, whatever it may be, they are not having constant nature. Okay, they are having a unstable personality. Okay, next another one, that is the Ostwald romantic classical or classification. Okay, in this Ostwald romantic or classical classification, in this they are having the romantic feelings. Okay, romantic thoughts, romantic ideas. Always the individuals are having that classical thoughts, classical ideas, classical behavior. Okay, classical emotions also they are having. Okay, this type of personality we are called as the romantic personality. Okay, next another one, that is the what is that, Hammond's classification. Okay, in this Hammond's classification they are having active or inactive personality. Okay, in each and every situation, in each and every occasion, in each and every moment, they are actively participate. They are feel responsible. This is our duty. Okay, we are a individuals, we are a persons, we are a member in family. Okay, this is my responsibility, this is my work. We will do, we can't, we have to do, we want to do. Like that they are having active feelings, active thoughts, active ideas, active behavior also. Okay, next inactive behavior or inactive personality means these type of individuals having inactive behavior, inactive thoughts, inactive thinking, inactive feelings. Means they did not agree for any situation. They are having a maladjustment. Okay, that's why we are called as the inactive personality individuals. Okay, next another one, that is the Weissman classification. In this their psychologists should be mainly focused on the emotions and unemotions. Sometimes the persons are having a full of emotions. Okay, in sad situations they are having a full emotions like crying or simply they are going to the depression. Okay, like that. Or sometimes they are having a loudness or that behavior should be very bad. Okay, sometimes they are also having one nature, that is the beating of other persons. Okay, like that. Means the psychologist should be focused on the individual's emotions. Okay, in a situations, for example, as a students we get failure in our exams. Okay, they are having some emotions, for example suicidal thoughts. Okay, I am failure in my annual exams, I am going to suicide. Okay, like that the suicidal thoughts they are having. In simple situation, that is the simple event, if once you get failure in your exams, you have one thought, in future or in further we never get failure by doing good hard work. Okay, we have to improve our knowledge skills, we have to perform perfectly. Like that the persons are not having good thoughts, they are having negative thoughts. Okay, next another one, that is the Gallant's classification. In these Gallant's classifications, the psychologist should be focused on the body fluids, that is the yellow bile. Okay, in this yellow bile the persons are having full energetic. Okay, another one, that is the black bile. In that depressed personality they are having. Okay, another one, that is the phlegmatic. In this phlegmatic they are having cool but lazy fellows. Okay, they are not having severe emotions or depression, but they are very cool but they are lazy fellows, they are not doing any work. Okay, next another one, that is the sanguine personality. In this the persons are having full of energy. Okay, in actively participate they are having a full energetic behavior, full energetic thoughts, full energetic ideas. Okay, next another one, that is the Sheldon's classification of personality. In this endomorphic, another one is the mesomorphic, another one is the ectomorphic. Okay, in this endomorphic they are having the soft body. Okay, that soft body, and mesomorphic they are having the hard body. Next in ectomorphic they are having the weak parts of the body. Okay, the body parts should be very weak, and in this hard body, in this soft body. Depending upon the structure of the body, the personality should be divided by the Sheldons. Okay, next another one, that is the Spranger's classification. Okay, in this Spranger's classification what happens means that is the aesthetic. Okay, in this aesthetic the persons are having that lovers of beauty, means they are always having good love and affection on beautiness. Okay, in a body very beauty means they are having good love and affection on that particular body. Okay, next another one, that is the political. In that these type of personality individuals they are having a social affairs. Okay, always they are actively participating political. Okay, as like politicians. Okay, next another one, that is the Freud's classification. In this Freud's classification they are having that oral erotic type. Okay, in this oral erotic type, for example in children's, they are having one reflex, that is the sucking reflex. Means by the thumb finger they are putting into their mouth, they are having a sucking. నోట్లో బయలు వేసుకుంటారంటారుగా. ఓకే, అలా అనమాట. కంటిన్యూస్గా ఇన్ చైల్డ్హుడ్ స్టేజ్ టు దే డెవలప్మెంటల్ స్టేజ్ దే ఆర్ నాట్ ఫర్గెట్, ఆల్వేస్ దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ థంబ్ ఫింగర్ ఫర్ సకింగ్. Okay, this is also one personality. Another one, sometimes they are having biting. నెయిల్ బైటింగ్ మీన్స్ గోర్లు కొరుకుతూ ఉంటారనమాట. ఏవైనా టెన్షన్ కానీ ఏదైనా డిప్రెషన్ కానీ ఉన్నప్పుడు, లేదంటే బోర్గా ఫీల్ అయినప్పుడు, లేదంటే ఒంటరిగా ఉన్నప్పుడు. ఓకే, దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ పర్సనాలిటీ చిల్డ్రన్స్ ఆల్వేస్ యూజింగ్ దట్ ఫింగర్స్ ఫర్ నెయిల్ బైటింగ్. Okay, in this type of personality the persons are having one nature, that is the one behavior, always any objective should be putting into their mouth. చాక్ పీసెస్ నోట్లో పెట్టుకోవడం కానీ, లేదంటే స్లేట్ పెన్సిల్స్ నోట్లో పెట్టుకోవడం కానీ, లేదంటే పెన్ నోట్లో పెట్టుకోవడం కానీ, మీన్స్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బీ, దట్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ షుడ్ బి ఆల్వేస్ పుట్టింగ్ ఇన్ టు దైర్ మౌత్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద Freud's classification. Next another one, that is the Jung's classification. Okay, in this Jung's classification what happens means introvert and extrovert. Okay, in this introvert and extrovert, what happens means in introvert the persons are having good interest on their own life. Okay, this is my lifestyle. Okay, this is my habit. This is my habitually we are doing this work. Like that, they are having good interest on their self experience and self life. Okay, for leading their modern life, they are having interest. Okay, this type of personality we are called as the introvert. Next, another one, that is the extrovert, means they are not having any concentration or any interest on their own, but they are having interest on external environment. Okay, their own, they are not having any interest on their dressing nature or on their behavior or on their thinking, on their personality, on their own family members, but they are having good interest on others. Okay, this one we are called as the introvert personality and extrovert personality according to this Proud's classification. Next, another one, that is the Meyer classification, Meyer-Friedman classification. Here two types of personality is there, that is the type A personality, type B personality. Okay, in this type A personality, there are high risk for or increased risk for some coronary artery diseases. Okay, coronary heart diseases, why? Because they are having what is that, stress. Okay, increased their stress. That's why these individuals, this type of personality people may be prone to get that heart diseases. Okay, next another one, that is the type B personality. In this type B personality, they are always express their feelings. They are not having any depression. They are not having any stress. They are look like very freedom. Okay, they are having a freedom in their life, and they are low risk for get this type of coronary heart diseases. Okay, these are the classifications is there under the personality.